Steel is where every gear begins. Raw strength is shaped into controlled form. Precision starts long before CNC code. Temperature settles, structure stabilizes. Only clean steel moves forward. Material begins its journey inward. The gear factory receives its foundation. Every gear starts with verified chemistry. Raw stock waits its turn. Length becomes exact. Gears are born as blanks. Uniformity sets the stage. Rough edges never reach precision machines. Clean metal cuts clean teeth. Surface preparation is complete. Accuracy is verified before machining. Order replaces raw chaos. Now, precision truly begins. Material enters the heart of precision. Flow is planned before motion begins. Every movement follows data. Human planning, robotic execution. Space is used with intent. Timing matters as much as tolerance. Machines trust what humans approve. Identity follows every part. Chaos is reduced to order. Precision waits patiently. Access granted by process. Hands without hesitation. Zero error, zero force. Isolation protects precision. Code becomes motion. The process awakens. Heat control is prepared. Precision is about to be carved. Inside, accuracy tightens its grip. Precision lives inside vast scale. A factory built for repeatability. Inputs and outputs never stop. Energy feeds precision. Invisible systems drive visible accuracy. Heat is controlled, not escaped. Light reveals order. Oversight keeps tolerance alive. Discipline precedes precision. This is where gears are born. Scale meets control. Human focus anchors automation. Tools wait for their moment. Accuracy is prepared in silence. Clean systems cut cleaner teeth. Material begins to surrender. Waste moves as purposefully as product. Product and waste part ways. Machining leaves its trace. Order prepares for cleanliness. Contamination ends here. Clean teeth cut quieter. Chemistry assists precision. Residue is unacceptable. Dry surfaces reveal truth. Human eyes still matter. Invisible flaws are exposed early. Decisions happen in milliseconds. Quality allows no shortcuts. Traceability begins now. Identity is permanent. Temperature must normalize. Consistency saves time. Clean parts move forward. Preparation gives way to transformation. Now the gear takes its true shape. Alignment is everything. Automation repeats without fatigue. Centering defines accuracy. Geometry is refined first. Flatness matters before teeth. Boundaries are set precisely. The core must be true. Stress begins at sharp corners. Measurement happens mid-process. Machines correct themselves. Perfection is removed in microns. One operation complete. Precision exits carefully. Shape precedes teeth. Flow never stops. Cutting edges are always watched. Teeth are next. This is where teeth are born. Every tooth begins with a tool. Synchronization is critical. Motion follows mathematics. Material yields to design. Each tooth is cut, not copied. Waste tells the story of precision. Heat is the enemy of accuracy. Shape emerges gradually. Feedback refines motion. Final passes define performance. Transformation complete. The cut is approved. Precision is handled gently. Teeth face their first judgment. Cleanliness comes next. Sharp edges must disappear. Strength requires smoothness. Automation removes what cutting leaves behind. Every edge must be safe. Consistency beats force. Smoothness is engineered. Cleanliness follows every cut. Microns hide in silence. Dry parts reveal truth. Eyes made of sensors. Shape. Shape becomes data. Algorithms enforce standards. Approval happens at speed. Hands without hesitation. Identity never detaches. Problems are solved before they exist. Flow absorbs variation. Problems are solved before they exist. Automation hands off flawlessly. Final refinement awaits. Final accuracy begins here. Smoothness is measured in microns. Alignment defines outcome. Material is corrected, not removed. Every tooth earns equality. Silence signals control. Measurement confirms intent. Performance lives on surfaces. Cleanliness reveals precision. Handling stays gentle. Contact improves contact. Noise is engineered out. Smooth gears run longer. Clean parts speak clearly. Nothing hides now. Measurement confirms intent. Finished means verified. Noise is engineered out. Precision must be proven. Traceability confirms origin. Measurement begins without contact. Geometry becomes numbers. Design meets reality. Balance matters at speed. Smoothness affects lifespan. Strength must match design. Resistance tells the story. Heat treatment succeeded. Contact reveals behavior. Load will distribute correctly. Experience signs off. Clearance granted. Precision exits the lab. Protection begins immediately. Preparation for storage. The journey nears its end. Precision prepares to travel. Protection preserves accuracy. Time and distance are accounted for. Structure supports precision. Nothing shifts inside. Information travels with product. Containment is complete. Order scales upward. Stability is enforced. Tracking never stops. The journey nears its end. Inventory waits with purpose. Demand activates motion. Final movement begins. Precision leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce CNC gears from start to finish.
Engineering never sleeps. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.